Okay friends, so here in chapter 4 I am going to show you the height function in jQuery, and for this purpose I have already here HTML boilerplate code. Here in the title I have the text as jQuery height function. In line number 4, using script src tag, I am loading jQuery library from line number 5 to line number 9. In this second script tag I am simply saying when document is ready, call this anonymous function. Inside this body, first of all, I am going to have an input button, that is input type submit. Submit button with the value get height. After this button, I am going to have 2 line breaks, and then after I am going to have a div. To this div, I am going to assign some text. And using inline CSS, I am going to assign a height to this div. So I am going to say height is equal to 400 pixel. Now, in order to select this submit button inside jQuery document.ready function, I am going to assign it an ID. And optionally, I can assign the ID to this div as well, but I am going to select this div via tag inside this jQuery document ready function. So first of all, I'm going to select the the button. So here in this jQuery selector, I'm going to pass the ID of the button and then call upon the click event handler function on this button. So inside this click event handler anonymous function, I'm going to select the div via tag and then call upon the method height. This height method will return the height of the div inside body, that is 400 pixel, when this input button having ID btn here is clicked. So I'm going to simply cut this script and paste it inside alert method, so that once this div.height method returns the height of the div, that height get alerted in the body. Get alerted in the alert box. So let's run this file. Here I have the submit button. Clicking this submit button will simply return the height of this div, that is 400 pixel. Here we are.